Let's get started to develop the understanding of data wrangling and data cleaning, the important concepts that are necessary to be performed before any wonder can happen. Data wrangling involves processing the data in various formats like merging, grouping, concatenating, etc., for the purpose of analyzing or getting them ready to be used with another set of data. It further includes data aggregation, visualization, and training models for predictions. When combining multiple data sources, there are many opportunities for data to be duplicated or mislabeled. If data is incorrect, outcomes and algorithms are unreliable, even though they may look correct. There is no absolute way to prescribe the exact steps in the data cleaning process because the processes will vary from dataset to dataset. But it is crucial to establish a template for your data cleaning process so you know you are doing it the right way every time. Thus, data cleaning is the process of detecting and correcting corrupt, inaccurately formatted, duplicate, or inaccurate records from a record set, table, or a database. 70% of the time, data analysts are busy cleaning and transforming the data in a usable format. So, it is the most crucial step of data analysis and modeling.